Question 3. The diagram shows 4 graphs. So I've got graph A here, I've got graph B here, got graph C here, and graph D. Each of the questions in this table is the equation of one of the graphs. So each of the equations in the table, so I've got equations here, complete the table. So I have to write down the letter next to each of these equations. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ignore this for now. I'm going to look at these kind of graphs, and I'm going to remember what each one is. So this is looking like something we don't normally do. So I'll come back to this later. This one is looking like a cuboid. This one looks like a cuboid as well. And this looks like a quadratic. So this is the one that we're the most familiar with. So I'm going to start with that, y equals x squared, something like that. Now, these two, graph C and graph B, they're the next one. So this is a cuboid. So it starts from the bottom and goes to the top. So this is going to be y equals x cubed. And this one is going to be negative because it's the opposite of this. So it starts from the top, goes to the bottom. Y equals to minus x cubed. And so this last one will be whatever is left empty from the box. But I know this is a graph of y equals 1 over x. And so now I can put these letters next to where I see these options here. So I can see y equals minus x cubed is going to be graph B, because that's that. So this is B. And then I've got y equals x cubed matches graph C. Y equals x squared matches graph D. And then the last one, you can see, matches what I've got here. So this is going to be graph A.